welcome to Anu and Sushmita's world. Today's video is a requested video and I hope my dear friends will be happy because this is a video regarding my gardening and lawn. Gardening and lawn, it's a beautiful, pastime and a hobby and a passion. But literally and truthfully, I don't have that, but one of my very good friends, she is having such a beautiful lawn and a beautiful creative mind. So I thought that I should do a video regarding her lawn, of course, because we have made so many videos, so many good memories is around this lawn and all. So keep watching my video and you'll find out many things. Keep watching.
Hello friends, this is the entry of the lawn. See what a beautiful coordination. See the beautiful flower pots and the beautiful flowers and this sunshine. It just brings happiness to your mind, to your soul, and the perfect beginning of a day. See what a beautiful decoration of the wall and the beautiful coloring, painting. Definitely it is going to take the heart of my viewers. Let me take you to the other section. This is the sweet little Halloween lady waiting. Lovely flower pots. Peace zone, yes, birds. Lovely roses and the hanging pots with beautiful flowers. And this is the most cute section, the Three Musketeers. Yes, this is also in the DIY section, do it yourself. And this has been used with the used container. This is the most beautiful section. See the beautiful entry gate. Yes, the greenery all over. And this is the wall of flakes. It is in the DIY section. Friends, let me tell you, this DIY section is do it yourself. And this wall has been decorated with all the reusable products. See, let me show you it in detail. I think you can relate with all the things in your house which has been used so beautifully. My friend is so talented. Make a wish. Yes. Live here. You all will be so happy if you could have been here. See, this is the section where the lady is waiting for all the birds and cute animals. Lovely flower pots. And this is the famous toy car. Yes, my viewers, I'll share a video clip with you also. It's such a, beautiful toy car. This is the big old tree, giving us all the pleasure, happiness. See what a wonderful feeling. Yes, I can spend my whole day here. Lovely. It takes you so much dedication, energy and time. See these tires, you can use it beautifully to decorate your lawn. So many ideas, creatively used. Other section of the DIY, this tire of the cycle has been used. And this is the cute fairy lawn. See? OMG, it's so pretty. These are the peace birds. Buddha. Just gratitude. These are the youngsters, and this is the old people, grandmother section. fairy lawn, Alpha and the fairy. Youngsters waiting for us to visit. See, colorful coordination. And this is the quilting section, my friends. My dear friend, she is doing a wonderful job. You know, she loves it so much. Creativity, at its best. I'll give all the details in my description box. Just go through it and you can find out her FB page and her Instagram link also. See, beautifully decorated pots. She loves to paint and see how lovely. Friends, if you want these pebbles, you need to share it with your friends and family members. The more, the better. And those who will share it with maximum number of people, we will definitely give it as our gratitude towards your act. This time I have tried to include one more section in my vlogs. Hope my viewers will like it and encourage with wholeheartedly. I am still learning and I welcome all your suggestions. Do keep encouraging me. Thank you.